What if the oil you choose could decide how long your engine survives? In 2026, synthetic motor oils are more advanced than ever, offering better protection, cleaner engines, and longer oil change intervals. Today we're counting down the top 5 best synthetic oils of 2026, and the number 1 choice might surprise you. Let's begin. Number 5. Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 0W20. Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 0W20 is a premium, full synthetic engine oil specifically engineered to meet the performance standards of modern Toyota engines. Designed with advanced additive technology, this oil delivers exceptional lubrication, helping reduce friction and wear while improving overall engine efficiency. It is particularly optimized for vehicles that require low viscosity oil, ensuring smooth cold starts and consistent performance even in extreme temperature conditions. One of the standout features of Toyota 0W20 oil is its ability to enhance fuel economy. The low viscosity allows the engine to operate with less resistance, which can result in improved mileage and reduced emissions. This makes it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious drivers as well as those looking to save on fuel costs over time. In addition to efficiency, Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 0W20 offers superior engine protection. It forms a strong protective film on engine components, preventing metal-to-metal contact and minimizing wear during high-speed or high-temperature operation. The oil also resists breakdown and oxidation, ensuring long-lasting performance and extended oil change intervals when used according to manufacturer recommendations. Another key benefit is its cleaning capability. The advanced detergent additives help prevent sludge buildup and keep internal engine parts clean. This contributes to maintaining optimal engine performance and prolonging engine life. Whether you're driving in city traffic or on long highway journeys, this oil ensures your engine remains protected and efficient. Toyota recommends this oil for many of its newer gasoline engines, including hybrid models, where efficiency and reliability are critical. Using manufacturer-recommended oil not only ensures compatibility but can also help maintain warranty coverage and overall vehicle health. Overall, Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 0W20 is a reliable and high-quality choice for drivers who want maximum performance, protection, and efficiency from their vehicles. It's a smart investment for keeping your engine running smoothly for years to come. Number 4. Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 5W20. Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 5W20 is a high-quality engine oil designed to provide reliable performance and protection for a wide range of Toyota vehicles. Formulated with advanced synthetic or synthetic blend technology, this oil ensures smooth engine operation, especially in varying temperature conditions. Its balanced viscosity makes it a versatile choice for drivers who want dependable performance in both cold starts and normal driving environments. One of the key advantages of 5W20 oil is its ability to maintain proper lubrication across a broader temperature range compared to thinner oils. It flows efficiently during cold starts, reducing engine wear when it matters most, while still providing strong protection at higher operating temperatures. This makes it ideal for daily driving, stop-and-go traffic, and moderate weather conditions. Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 5W20 also helps improve engine longevity by reducing friction between moving parts. The specially designed additives form a protective layer on engine components, minimizing wear and tear over time. This contributes to smoother engine performance and can help extend the life of critical parts such as pistons, valves, and camshafts. Another important feature is its cleaning capability. The detergent and dispersant additives help prevent the buildup of sludge and deposits inside the engine. Keeping the engine clean not only improves performance but also ensures consistent oil flow and cooling, which are essential for maintaining engine health. In terms of fuel efficiency, 5W20 offers a good balance between protection and economy. While it may not be as ultra-efficient as 0W20, it still supports decent fuel savings compared to thicker oils like 5W30. This makes it a practical choice for drivers who want both protection and efficiency without compromising engine durability. Toyota recommends 5W20 oil for many of its older and mid-range gasoline engines, where slightly thicker oil provides better protection under load. Using the correct oil grade as specified by the manufacturer is essential for optimal performance and maintaining warranty requirements. Overall, Toyota Genuine Motor Oil 5W20 is a dependable and well-rounded option, offering strong engine protection, good fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability for everyday driving needs. Number 3. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 is a premium full synthetic engine oil designed to deliver outstanding performance, fuel efficiency, and long-term engine protection. Developed by ExxonMobil, this oil is engineered specifically for modern gasoline engines, including turbocharged and high-performance vehicles. One of the biggest advantages of this oil is its fuel-saving capability. Its low-viscosity formula reduces internal engine resistance, helping improve fuel economy compared to thicker oils. This makes it an excellent choice for drivers who want better mileage without sacrificing engine protection. According to official specifications, it is formulated to increase engine efficiency and help maximize miles per gallon. Mobil 1 0W20 also provides exceptional protection during cold starts. Because it flows faster than traditional oils like 5W20, it quickly reaches critical engine components, reducing wear at startup, one of the most important moments for engine longevity. This fast flow not only protects the engine but also reduces strain on the battery and starter system. Another standout feature is its durability. This oil is designed to resist breakdown, oxidation, and sludge formation, keeping the engine clean and running smoothly over time. It uses advanced additive technology, often referred to as a triple action formula, to deliver strong wear protection, engine cleanliness, and overall performance. Additionally, it can protect engines for extended oil change intervals up to 15,000 miles under proper conditions. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 also meets or exceeds major industry standards like APISP and ILSAC GF6, ensuring compatibility with modern engines, including hybrids. It is widely recommended for passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. Overall, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 is a top-tier engine oil that combines efficiency, protection, and reliability. If you're looking for better fuel economy, cleaner engine performance, and long-lasting protection, it's one of the best options available in the 0W20 category. Number 2. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20 is a high-performance full synthetic motor oil engineered to deliver exceptional engine protection, durability, and efficiency for modern gasoline engines. It's part of Castrol's Premium Edge line, formulated for drivers who want maximum performance and reliability under a wide range of driving conditions. This oil uses advanced synthetic base stocks and performance-enhancing additives to provide strong lubrication right from cold starts, ensuring fast oil flow when your engine needs it most. The 0W20 viscosity grade means it flows like a zero-weight oil in cold temperatures for quick protection, yet behaves like a 20-weight oil at normal operating temperature to maintain a protective film across engine parts. One of the key strengths of Castrol Edge 0W20 is its high-stress performance and wear protection. According to Castrol, it delivers up to 3 times stronger performance and significantly better protection under high load and torque conditions compared to standard full synthetics. It also helps maintain oil stability and viscosity control even in extreme heat or pressure, which helps prolong engine life. This oil is also designed with fuel efficiency in mind. The low viscosity and advanced formulation help reduce internal engine friction, which can contribute to improved fuel economy compared to thicker oils. This makes it a solid choice for everyday driving, long highway trips, and vehicles where fuel economy is a priority. Castrol Edge 0W20 meets or exceeds major industry specifications, such as APISP and ILSAC GF7B, and is suitable for use in a wide range of passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks requiring 0W20 oil. It's also compatible with hybrid engines and modern turbocharged engines that demand strong protection and efficiency. Overall, Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20 offers excellent wear protection, high performance under stress, and fuel-saving potential, making it a premium option for drivers who want reliable engine performance and longevity. Number 1. Shell Helix Ultra 0W20. Shell Helix Ultra 0W20 is a premium fully synthetic motor oil engineered to deliver excellent engine protection, enhanced fuel economy, and long-lasting performance for modern gasoline and hybrid vehicles. It's part of Shell's top-tier Helix Ultra range, formulated using Shell Pure Plus technology, a process that converts natural gas into a very high-quality base oil that helps engines stay cleaner and run more efficiently. One of the standout benefits of Shell Helix Ultra Zero W20 is its ability to reduce friction and improve fuel efficiency thanks to its low viscosity and advanced formulation. This helps the oil flow quickly at cold starts while still maintaining a strong protective film at normal operating temperatures, a key advantage for everyday driving and stop-and-go traffic. In addition to efficiency, this oil is designed for superior engine cleanliness and protection. According to Shell's product information, it helps leave pistons up to 50% cleaner than the industry standard, which supports smoother performance and reduces sludge and deposit buildup over time. It also offers strong wear and sludge protection, helping prolong engine life and maintain reliability even under varied driving conditions. Shell Helix Ultra Zero W20 meets important industry specifications such as API SN/SN+, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1, making it suitable for a wide range of passenger cars and light trucks that call for a Zero W20 oil. Some regional formulations also carry GM Dexos 1 Gen 2 approval and are compatible with vehicles from various manufacturers. Overall, Shell Helix Ultra Zero W20 is a high-quality choice for drivers seeking a synthetic motor oil that balances fuel economy, engine cleanliness, and long-term protection. Its advanced base oil technology and performance credentials make it well-suited for modern engines, including those in hybrid vehicles.